Alright, we're out here 2 hours from the house. We're working on one of these. Doing a nitro test. 400 PSIs. Customer complaint, no cool, no heat. You know why? It's empty. Guy didn't like my price to come install this. Try to do it himself. Here he is, paying again. How you doing? Alright. I didn't install it, but I did a repair. Fixed the line. It had a poor flaring. See them? See that flare? Look at that flare. That's why all the flare. See the cracks? That's why everything leaked. Alright, thanks for watching.